Okay, so here we are again. I'm placing this on the floor, and now what we have to do is just put the unit, align the unit so that yes, that's it. So as you can see, I have already fitted the mop unit, and now I'm going to switch it on. So now it will be doing the dual function. As you can see, the water strikes there, and so as you can see, the water strikes there. So it is mopping the floor, brooming the same time. And let me show you one more feature. So what I wanted to show you is not possible in the light, so I have got this unit in the dark, and now I am starting. You try to see the light. There will be one light just down. See if you can figure it out. As you have seen, the light has blown. So this is the UV light. Okay, so this is very good feature of this robot cleaner. So this one time it is mopping the floor and brooming also and sanitizing also, so which is the requirement of today right now, that we need to sanitize everything. So I think this is a very good feature. So I have got this unit back in the light right now, just to show you where the UV lamp is. So this is the UV lamp which glows and disinfect the floor also. And cleaning, I have told you, it's very easy to do the cleaning. This is all about the robot vacuum cleaner, and there is an app also, phone app. And many of us must be thinking that what if their house is on some floor, like first floor, second floor, and they have stairs on it. So let me tell you, this unit has got that one covered also. So as you can see, now I am going to run the unit, and I have kept it on the table and it will not fall. So it has got one anti-fall feature also. So I'll give you a demo for that also. So as you can see that wherever it is finding the gap, or it senses the deepness, and it activates the sensor and the unit backs off. So this is another one of the great feature. This unit is Wi-Fi, so it is Wi-Fi controlled. And now you must be thinking that what happens if the charge goes away. So it tries to hold up the charge, say 2-3 hours, but what happens if the charge goes away? Then let's say the unit was not fully charged, or due to excessive cleaning the battery got drained easily, maybe 1-2 hours. Then what happens, I'll show you a mode which is called the home mode. So it, whenever the percentage of the battery falls below like 5%, 10%, then it tries to find its way home to its charger. Here you can see the charger. So what I am going to do right now is put it in the home mode, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the unit is docked on its charging station automatically. So this happens every time when the charge is low. It tries to find its charger on its own wherever it is, and it docks on the charger right away. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I will be bringing up more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.